Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML, and right now we'll be discussing about HTML entities. Reserved characters in HTML must be replaced with character entities. HTML entities. Some characters are reserved in HTML. If you use less than or greater than signs in your text, the browser might mix them with tags. Character entities are used to display reserved characters in HTML. A character entity looks like this. As you can see, you have your and sign and symbol at the beginning of the entity. Then you write the name of the entity, and at the end of it, you are going to put your semicolon. You are going to close it with your semicolon. And secondly, you can use it in this manner again. You can use your and symbol along with hashtag, along with the entity number. After the entity number, you are going to close it with your semicolon. Definitely, there is two ways you can do this right now, but in the other ways, there is also another way we can do this. But firstly, note this. This is the commonly used way. You can use your and symbol along with the entity name. After that, you will place your colon, your semicolon. So, and the second way is to use your and symbol along with the hashtag and the entity number and close it with your semicolon. That is the two ways that it's very popular. To display a less than sign, we must write and lt semicolon or and hashtag 60 semicolon. Advantage of using an entity name. An entity name is easy to remember. Disadvantage of using an entity name. Browsers may not support all entity names, but the support for entity numbers is very good. So that's what I can tell you right now. Let's meet in the next tutorial where we explore this much better. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.